How to download and install RedNote application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's tutorial, we will learn how we can download and install RedNote application. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open a Play Store in your Android device. Once you have opened it up, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. Again, tap on the search bar and in the search bar, type in RedNote. Then tap on search icon. Here, this is the application that you want to download. If you want to view the ratings and reviews, you can scroll down and view all the reviews. And once you're sure to download, simply tap on install button. And depending upon your internet connection, the installation might take some time. Once the installation is complete, you can open up the application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.